Hello folks, this is Larry Strelecki from Assured Concepts Group with an educational economic update for March 2020. Now in this month's video, I'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in February. I'll also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Now in your investing lifetime, you may only see a situation like the recent coronavirus a few times. The truth is that we can't yet gauge the full economic impact, and by the time we can, the market volatility may have passed. In February, the S&P lost 8.4%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, which has heavy international exposure, fell 10.1%. The Nasdaq Composite lost 6.4%. Demand for bonds was high, and that put pressure on bond yields. The 10-year Treasury yield ended the month at 1.1%, a record low. In response to the coronavirus, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell says that Fed officials are prepared to use our tools and act as appropriate to support the economy. Good news about the economy was overshadowed by the outbreak. Companies added 225,000 net new hires in January, blowing past forecast. Unemployment was just 3.6%. The number of people either working or looking for work hit a 7-year high. Retail sales were up 0.3% in January, and personal incomes grew 0.6%. A good story. Consumer confidence was also strong. The Conference Board's index topped 130 for a second straight month in February. That hasn't happened since August. At the beginning of this year, consensus appeared to be that global economic growth would likely pick up thanks to the trade deal with China and early signs of a rebound in Europe. But the question now is, to what degree will the world's economies be slowed by the coronavirus outbreak? Investors are expected to watch economic reports out of China and Europe, as well as the initial estimate of first quarter gross domestic product due at the end of April. If the reports show that coronavirus or COVID-19's impact was higher than imagined, stock prices may retreat. But if data suggests it's in line with expectations, stocks may respond more positively. Well, that's it for this month's economic update. Once again, this is Larry Strelecki with Assured Concepts Group, signing off for the month of March 2020. Please remember that nothing I talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give me a call at 847-426-1077, and I'd be happy to talk to you. Thanks.
If you would like to discuss your portfolio or personal financial needs, please contact us at 847-426-1077. Nothing stated in this presentation should be considered an offer of a securities product nor an investment strategy. The advisors of Assured Concepts Group offer securities and investment advisory services through FSIC. FSIC is a member of FINRA and SIPC.